If you're thinking about buying the Yootech Wireless Charging Stand, hold on, because I'm about to reveal some things you probably haven't heard. This charging stand promises convenience with its multiple charging modes and wide charging area, but here's what surprised me. It's not all smooth sailing. Many people love it, but what about the hidden problems? Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about this $14.99 charger before you waste your money. So if you're tired of slow charges, compatibility headaches, or nightstand interruptions, stay tuned. I guarantee you're in the right place to make a smart decision. Now, you may have seen that the Yootech Wireless Charging Stand sports a 4.6-star rating on Amazon and claims to work with countless devices across different brands, from iPhone 8 to the latest Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Sounds great, right? But here's the kicker. Does it actually deliver that smooth, reliable charging experience? Or is it just another tech gadget with more hype than performance? Keep watching because I'm going deep on its features, design, and the real-life ratings from users. Plus, I'll share some tips to make it work best if you do decide to buy. First, let me tell you who this product is really for. If you're someone who hates fishing around for the sweet spot on your wireless charger, this stand's dual-coil design promises a much wider charging area, so you can drop your phone horizontally or vertically at any angle without losing charge. Perfect for those who binge-watch Netflix or love texting through your day without plugging a cord. It also promotes safer charging with built-in intelligent protection technology against overheating and surges, what tech lovers call multifunctional intelligent protection. So, if you want a budget wireless charger that keeps your phone safe while you go hands-free, Yootech seems like a decent match on paper. But here's where things get tricky. While the adapter is not included, Yootech recommends using QC 2.0, 3.0, or PD adapters, meaning you might need to spend extra on those to realize full-speed charging. Also, many users complain that when you charge with a thick phone case, the device struggles or stops charging altogether. So, if you're like me and never want to take off your case, say goodbye to convenient wireless charging. I tried it with my standard OtterBox, and it did not work well. This charger is more of a fragile friend who insists you show it your phone barefaced or risk frustration. Now for a quick reality check. The product's sleep-friendly LED indicator is supposed to turn off during charging, so it doesn't disturb you at night, which is a smart design feature. But here's a joke I heard that fits perfectly here. Why don't secrets last on wireless chargers? Because the LEDs always light up the truth. In real use, some people still report a faint glow that can be distracting if you like total darkness in your bedroom. So while the idea is good, the execution could use a bit of tweaking. Before reeling you in with more features, here's a twist. Despite its flaws, Yootech's dual-coil setup does widen the charging area considerably better than traditional round pads. This means less fiddling around, which is a relief for many users tired of aligning their phones precisely every time. Imagine that, a charging pad that's less treasure hunt and more drop and go. Still, if you're a perfectionist who expects a flawless charge every time, this might frustrate you because sometimes even with the wider coil, the charge cuts out unexpectedly. Hey, quick question. Have you ever wondered what happens if you try charging multiple devices at once? The Yootech Wireless Charging Stand, unfortunately, is single device only. So no wireless combo charging here. Sorry, multi-device junkies. That means it's best suited for someone who needs charging simplicity. But if you're juggling a smartwatch, earbuds, and a phone, you might want to keep scrolling and find a different charger. That's the no BS honest update. Alright, time for some storytelling. Picture this. Last week, I set up the Yootech stand on my nightstand to see how it fared overnight while I binge-watched a new series. The phone charged fine at first, but midway through the night, the charging stopped without warning. I woke up to a half-charged phone and a green LED flashing like a confused traffic cop. I laughed and thought, maybe my phone just wanted a break too. But this issue isn't unique. It's a common user complaint about intermittent charging interruptions due to slight phone or cable movement. If you're paying attention and thinking, okay, this doesn't sound like a deal breaker yet, there's one more important thing. The build quality is solid with ABS fire-resistant material, adding robust safety. That means even if you leave it plugged in all day, it minimizes risk of overheating, a big plus compared to cheaper options that can get dangerously hot. That's why, for safety-conscious users, the Yootech stand is a compelling choice in the $15 price range. Consider it the affordable firefighter on your desk. Do I wish Yootech included a power adapter in the box? Absolutely. Imagine buying a charger and then realizing you have to buy an adapter separately. Talk about robbing you twice at checkout. It's kind of like buying a burger without the fries and then paying extra later for the fries. On the bright side, the included 3.3 FT USB-C cable was generously long, reducing cable clutter and giving you flexibility in where to place the charger. Now, let's circle back to compatibility, because this charger supports 3 different modes: 7.5W for Apple iPhones, 10W for Samsung Galaxy devices, and 5W for any Qi-enabled phone like Google Pixel. Sounds like a matchmaker's dream, right? But there's a catch. Charging speed varies wildly depending on your phone model and the adapter you pair it with. So if you want fast charge, you'll need to invest in a compatible quick charger, or else prepare for slow trickle charges. Slow charging can feel like watching paint dry on your device's battery bar, and we all hate waiting. So, what's the verdict after diving into all this? The Yootech Wireless Charging Stand is a well-rounded wireless charger for casual users who want versatility without breaking the bank. It checks many boxes: wide charging area, decent safety features, compatibility with multiple phones, and a sleep-friendly concept. However, expect to make some compromises. No power adapter included, occasional charging hiccups with thick cases, and moderate charging speed depending on your accessories. For the price of $14.99 and with a 4.6 Amazon rating, it's a bargain for those willing to accept these quirks and just want a straightforward wireless charging experience. Plus, Yootech offers a 12-hour response service through customer support, so help is close if you hit a snag. And hey, when was the last time your charger actually had a customer care hotline? It's almost like these chargers have their own therapists now. All right, let's lighten the mood with a couple more jokes while we wrap up. Why did the smartphone bring a ladder to the wireless charger? Because it wanted a higher charge. And what do you call a wireless charger that tells you a story? A power storyteller. Too bad Yootech doesn't come with that feature, or I'd be writing a book by now. In conclusion, if you're ready for a budget-friendly wireless stand that's safe, user-friendly, and almost hassle-free for your everyday charging needs, the Yootech Wireless Charging Stand deserves a spot on your desk or nightstand. Just remember, you might need to purchase a fast charger separately and keep your phone case thin or off while charging for best results. So, if you want to grab the Yootech Wireless Charging Stand at the best price right now, check the link in the description below. It's a zero-risk purchase backed by decent reviews and Yootech's customer promise. Don't forget, wireless charging is all about convenience, but it's also about knowing what you're getting. Hopefully, this honest review sheds light on that before you click buy. Thanks for watching, and happy charging.